To start with, I'm going to chop all the ingredients that goes into the mussel. I have separated the stems from parsley and I'm chopping some parsley stems. I'm also chopping some parsley leaves and this will go onto the dish at the end. I'm going to use some of this on the pasta and the other half on the mussels. It is a very simple dish, therefore I have to prepare everything in advance because it cooks very fast. Once all the mussels opens, then it's cooked. It takes only a few minutes, maybe 5 to 7 minutes. The ingredients are parsley, onions, garlic, olive oil, some seasoning, flakes, pepper flakes, red pepper flakes, and black pepper. I'm not using any salt because it's salty, it came from sea. I'm also using some butter with the olive oil. We don't want the butter to burn, therefore we mix it with the oil. If this is your first time and you haven't cooked mussels before, if you're going to shop for it, look for Prince Edward Island mussels. Those are the cleanest. It comes cleaned. You don't have to work hard to clean it. When you purchase it, they will give it to you in a mesh bag so the mussels will breathe. If they give it to you in a cellophane bag, please leave it open so the mussels will breathe. You don't want them to die. So you want a live mussels. And when you're cleaning, just wash it so it won't have any scents. Just wash away all the scents. And also look for the open ones. If there is any open ones, you have to tap on it. If it doesn't close, just leave it aside. At the end, if it closes, then you can use it. If it doesn't close, then discard it. You don't need it. Also, you have to clean the mustache. It comes with a mustache, long mustache or beard, whatever you want to call it. You have to clean those. But if it's a King Edward Island, a Prince Edward Island, I'm sorry, then it comes cleaned. I'm looking for the open ones and also cleaning all the mustaches. Today I'm cooking only 1 pound of mussels. If you're cooking only mussels without anything on the side, you're not serving pasta or nothing else on the side, then it's 1 pound per person. If you're serving it with pasta or you have other side dishes, then it's half a pound a person. So this will be good for 2 people. Maybe you notice I'm tapping on the open ones and I'm putting it aside. And at the end, if it closes, I can use it. If it doesn't close, then I have to discard it. I have checked each and every one of them. Like I said, I looked for the open ones and I cleaned the mustaches. Now I'm giving it a one last rinse, making sure that it doesn't have any scent. And the one that closed, I'm putting it back into the batch. But there were only 2 that did not close, so those are dead ones. I cannot use it. My ingredients are chopped and ready. Like I said, it's very simple recipe. All we need is butter, olive oil, some garlic, onions, and parsley. I start cooking the pasta, then I will start with the mussels because it cooks very fast. I want it to cook at the same time. My water is boiling already. I added some salt. Now adding my pasta and I will bring it to boil. I'm adding 3 tablespoons of olive oil. I'm also adding 3 tablespoons of butter and garlic to the pan. I will also add my onions. And I'm going to cook onions and garlic until it releases its aroma and it becomes translucent. I'm also adding the parsley stems that I cut in small pieces. And this is going to be cooking for a few minutes also. Now I'm adding my dry white wine, about a half a bottle. It's about 2 cups. And I'm going to bring it to simmer. Seasoning it with black pepper, and red pepper flakes. Those are to your taste. It depends how spicy you want it. I'm also adding the mussels. This will cook very fast. I'm closing the lid, checking if it's opened. It still needs to open. I'm going to close it again and wait a few more minutes. And once everything is opened, then it's ready. Now it's ready. All of them are opened. I have to turn off the heat and transfer it to a soup tureen. I have transferred it into the soup tureen. I am transferring half of the broth and I'm saving the other half for pasta. I'm adding generous amount of chopped parsley on top and this is ready to be served. I added the pasta on top of the broth. Now I'm adding chopped parsley, handful of it. And this is almost ready to be served. I will add some pepper flakes, black pepper and red pepper flakes. And that's about it. It's ready to be served. It is delicious. Now I have to enjoy this with my nephew Alex. I have been enjoying Alex's company last 2 days. He has been staying with me. Now we are going to enjoy this together. Here is another delicious recipe for you. I hope you will make this part of your menu. And don't forget to join me again next Sunday. Next Sunday we are going to pair food with wine. Please don't forget, join me. It's going to be interesting. It's going to be all about wines. We are going to learn about wines. We are going to appreciate wine. We are going to learn how to pair wine with food. And we are going to learn about history of Armenian wines. Don't forget, join me next Sunday too. Well, I think I said everything already. There is nothing else for me to say besides have a wonderful day, wonderful week, and wonderful life. Bye-bye.